Shona Ferguson recalls how he met his wife Connie Ferguson. They got married 4 months after sharing their first kiss, and 15 years down the line, Connie and Shona Ferguson are still going strong. The legendary South African couple definitely prove that love is real. In an interview with Destiny magazine, the wonderful pair talk about their extensive film empire and their long-lasting love. Shona is a self-confessed hopeless romantic who has always enjoyed spoiling his famous wife with lavish presents, flowers and home-cooked meals. In the February issue of Destiny magazine, Shona remembers the smallest details about meeting Connie at her Johannesburg home just over 15 years ago. He was dropping off mutual friends of her sister Larato while on a visit to the city from his home in Botswana for a business course. He asked for a glass of water and was about to leave when Connie came out of her room to say hello. Hands down, it was love at first sight. She'd never admit, but that's how it was for me. The couple were married traditionally 2 months later.